Do you prefer street food or sitting in a restaurant with your friends, talking and enjoying your time? I mean, street food has its own vibe, right? It's fast, cheap, and honestly, it tastes amazing. You just grab your food and go. No waiting, no planning. But at the same time, there is something special about sitting with your friends, sharing a meal, laughing, talking. It's not just about the food, it's about the moment. Now, here's a question. Have you ever thought about how this food is actually made? If you are someone who loves pastries and desserts, then come here. Let me show you something. Look at this. This is how a croissant is made. It may look simple when you eat it, but actually it takes time and effort. First, they prepare the dough, soft, smooth, and full of life. Then comes the most interesting part. They leave the dough to rest, and it starts to rise. Yes, the dough rises. It grows slowly because of the yeast inside it. It's like magic, but it's actually science. After that, it comes into the oven, and this is where everything changes. The heat transforms the dough into something golden, crispy, and delicious. But the food is not just about baking. Let's move to something else. In every kitchen, there is always preparation, cutting, slicing, chopping. Look at this. Mushrooms, cabbage, everything is being prepared carefully. Because every small step makes a difference in the final taste. And now, let's talk about something very simple but very interesting. Eggs. Did you know that eggs have different levels of doneness? Some people love a soft, runny yolk. Yolk is the inner part, the yellow inner part inside the egg. Other people prefer it medium, and some want it fully cooked. It all depends on time. The longer you cook the egg, the firmer it becomes. So next time when you eat an egg, think about it. How do you like it? At the end, food is not just something we eat. It's an experience, memories, moments we share. Do you like cooking? And if so, what's your specialty? And what's your favorite kind of dishes?